La 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 la. It's still the 10th of Dhul Hijjah. By now you should have thrown stones at Jamarat al-Aqaba, shaved or trimmed the hair on your head, changed out of ihram clothes, and made or paid for an animal sacrifice. La 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 la. Now you're ready to return to Mecca and make Tawaf al-Ifadah, one of the 3 requirements of Hajj. Technically, this Tawaf is no different from any other, except that it must be performed after visiting Arafah on the 9th of Dhul Hijjah. La 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 la. La 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 la. Start your day as early as possible so that you can complete all rites before sunset. During this time, you will experience some of the greatest crowds in Hajj. Be patient and just go with the flow. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.